What is an SMS shortcode, and does your business actually need one? An SMS shortcode is a 5 or 6-digit number that businesses use to send marketing messages via SMS and MMS directly to customers' phones. Here's the case for using them. SMS has open rates as high as 98%. That dwarfs email. And unlike a 10-digit long code, a short code is easy for customers to remember and opt into. They type a few digits, hit send, and they're subscribed. So which type of short code is right for you? Shared codes were phased out by US and Canadian carriers as of 2023. Avoid those. Vanity codes, such as a code that spells a brand name on the keypad, are custom and memorable but cost more. Dedicated codes give you complete control over your messaging and keywords. Random codes are system-assigned, budget-friendly, and perfectly effective. One thing you can't skip: compliance. The Telephone Consumer Protection Act, or TCPA, regulates SMS marketing. Violations can cost up to $500 each. Always use a clear opt-in process and include keywords like stop so customers can unsubscribe at any time. SMS shortcodes put your brand in the one place customers always check: their text messages. Ready to launch your first SMS campaign? Visit Mailchimp.com to get started today.